Oluchi or whatever they called you, I want to talk to you.
Yes. If you know why you are here, just say it fast and leave my house. I don't have time for village champions like you.
Village champion. Me, Mercy the warrior, village champion. It's alright. I came to warn you, leave Zubi alone. Zubi is my boyfriend. Yes. Let me tell you, he doesn't love you. Okay? He doesn't love you. Is it by force to force a man to love you? Eh? Is it by force for somebody to love you? Instead of you to leave him alone, you are here. Hey, you are looking for my trouble.
I don't have your time. You can't even call his name correctly.
Zubi is my man. I can call his name the way I want. It's not your business. Boyfriend snatcher. Akurakula, boyfriend snatcher. Leave my man alone.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Just take a good look at yourself and take a good look at me, the person you are talking to.
Hey, Suhu is talking. You think I don't know that it's Akurakula money that you used to buy this your rag that you wear? See, let me tell you, I can even buy this your stupid house. I can buy this your dirty house. Yes, if I want. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you have been doing Akurakura for the past 4 years? Yes, you have been doing Akurakura for the past 4 years. And that is where you raise the money to buy this your dirty and unfurnished house. You think I don't know? See, Oluchi, let me tell you. You see this your house. If I want to buy it, I will buy it. I don't have to go and do Akurakura before buying it. Yes, if I want to buy it, I will buy it myself.
But you don't have the money and you can't even buy it.
I'm not Akurakura like you. Boyfriend snatcher. Boyfriend snatcher. Go and get your own boyfriend. Boyfriend snatcher.
I don't have your time. Now leave my house. Good for nothing village champion.
I will leave your house. I will leave your house. But leave my boyfriend alone, no. Leave him alone, no. Zubi is my man, no. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Husband snatcher. Akula.
Leave my house and don't even come back. Nonsense. Fool like you.
Yo, my people. How you guys doing? Hope you love that beautiful video. That cartoon. If you know you love it, please do remember to share. Give me a nice comment. Please, no insult, because creating cartoon is not easy. Please, but if you love it, don't forget to give me a nice comment and don't forget to share. Go to my YouTube channel, follow me, subscribe on my YouTube channel, Ikejoy Cartoon, Ikejoy TV. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye. And I will be giving you guys videos every week. It's a promise. Thank you. Bye.